We're heading to Grand Cayman. I'm pretty excited. Yay! What do I know about Grand Cayman? Nothing. The only thing I know about Grand Cayman is that's where people put their money in accounts in the Caymans. So I'm assuming it's a pretty affluent place. I just know it's going to be really warm. So we're really excited. And I need to pack. So can we just talk about packing for a few minutes? I want to know if anybody packs the way I pack. So I literally do a closet dump on the bed. So I grab every single thing that I could possibly want on my trip and I throw it on the bed, and then I do a process of elimination. So I like slowly try things on, I pull things out that I'm like, oh, I have 5 of that or 10 of that, I don't need so many. And then I throw a pile on the floor that I don't need. And it's like a 3-day process. Really weird. Does anybody else pack that way? Maybe it's just me. That's how I do it. It works. It works for me. Probably a quicker way would be to like pull only things out of my closet that I actually need, but I don't do that. So let the fun begin. So I had this beast of a suitcase, way too big, but this is the guy I take on like any trips more than 4 days. I think that sounds ridiculous. And the only thing we have planned is swimming with stingrays. So we have like an excursion and a boat booked with like a big group of people. So that's the one thing we know we're doing for sure. That's it. I don't really like to pre-plan. I'm not that person that books everything ahead of time. I'm kind of hoping there's a spa there. I love to get a massage because I have a lot of back problems. Probably because I'm slouching. Really hoping that maybe we can get a massage, and other than that, have some drinks, relax, and have fun. We really need some time off work. So excited. I'm just excited to go away, and I'm excited to go somewhere I've never been to before. I've discovered packing cubes. Do you guys use packing cubes? They're the best thing ever. I'm gonna grab them. So anytime I'm going on a trip, I grab this baby out, and it's got all my travel essentials. So I don't know, odds and ends that I just find easier to throw in a box. Check this out. This is super cute. I got this in a beauty box. So it says wash, dry, fold, repeat. And all it is like a dirty laundry bag. But look how small. So you unzip it and it turns into like a Tide laundry bag for dirty laundry that you can put in your suitcase, and it's got a little pocket. So I love this bag. Packing cubes. This one has 2 different sections. I love packing cubes. Oh my gosh. This is like bug spray and sunscreen. Couldn't think of the name. Wow. Unfortunately, I have a really serious shellfish allergy. So crab and lobster is the killer for me. So yeah, that really sucks. So I always have to have an EpiPen because if I accidentally eat some, I could die. So kind of a big deal. Always bring your EpiPen if you need one. I'm gonna go get some clothes, and I am gonna put these packing cubes in action. Yeah, packing cubes. I got this gorgeous, gorgeous shirt at the secondhand store with the tag still on it for like $9. And it is so beautiful. I don't know if you can see the detail on the back. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Definitely bringing that. I just want to hang with my dog because I'm a dog mom. I love kimonos. This one's from Target. I'm a sucker for the cute t-shirts. Tequila, por favor. Love it. It's cute. I get a lot of compliments on it. I don't actually know where I got it. I feel like I got it in an airport, but they tend to bring me tequila shots when I wear this, which could be bad. So I'll be bringing this to Grand Cayman. Okay. Keep going with the packing. So sandals. These are my 9 West, like mint green heels. Open toe, super comfy. It's short, but it's like so hot pink. Like, I don't know if the camera's gonna pick up the color, but it's like fluorescent. So I always like to have like a bathing suit wrap. This one's really cool. It's a big circle. It's kind of hard to see on the camera. So one of the dresses I'll be bringing is the only success I've had from AMI Clubwear. I know you guys have probably heard of that site, AMI Clubwear. They have like some crazy stuff, but this floral dress is one that I purchased from there, and it's like gorgeous. It is so gorgeous. So it's long. It's so hard to show on camera, but it's got like an open back, and then the straps like, ew, I suck at showing clothes. The straps tie up at the open back, and then it's got like a short front, and then it kind of like scoops. Bikinis, so you gotta have bathing suits. This one's actually really flattering, and I love the colors, so I'm gonna bring that guy. Else, oh, cover-ups. Bathing suit cover-ups. So this is one of my faves. Short-ish. It says Paradise on it. Body glove shorts, neon pink. I love these ripped jeans from American Eagle. So yeah, they're like high-waisted old school jeans. Check this. Look at the back. So this is the back of my cover-up, and then look at the front. Toes in the sand, rosé in my hand. Oh yeah. With a backpack, you can be hands-free. So I love a cute flowery backpack. That's going. Sticking with my theme of cute tank tops, this is probably, like, I'll probably wear something like this to the airport, but check this out. Resting beach face. Really cute little workout shorts. Lacy, one-piece top, open back, $5. Love this bathing suit top. It goes everywhere with me. Secondhand. Oh, I'm gonna have to do a thrift store video, because guys, I have found some of my favorite clothing items from secondhand stores. Packing is exhausting. We'll see you in Grand Cayman.
in the water. Get your arms out in the water. Get your arms up like this. Nice and straight. And then keep it.
Just completely failed on that piece of food.
He's the special one.
He's the one that ran into the wall earlier.
He rides the short turtle bus. Oh, look at them all over there.
Yeah.
Team meeting. Oh, they're so cute. Look at their little faces. Oh, they're like dinosaur faces, don't you think?
I've never seen a dinosaur.
You haven't? You should see one.
This is such a cool place. I love it. You guys are on video. I'll have you know.
Thank you.
Thank you for the warning. You watch your mouth. This is pretty cool. Hello.